Today video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step tutorial how I create reels on Instagram. As you can see here, I make a lot of money using Instagram, and most of the time is through reels. So I want to show you a step-by-step process that I use to create reels, okay? So if you're not familiar with Instagram, if you want to create your first reel, if you want to start making money on Instagram utilizing reels, this video is for you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna bring a lot of more content that's gonna help you monetize your social media account. So without further ado, let me show you the process. All right, now you're here inside my Instagram account, and I'm going to show you how simple and how easy it is to create reels. That's the secret. I don't make anything fancy. I don't make anything that's super complicated to make. Everything that I do, it's super simple. So if I can do it, you can too. So the first thing that I want you to know is that Instagram has two tabs. One is for people that you follow, your followers, and this is going to be on the house right here. The first one, this is the feed from people that you follow, right? So whatever people you follow, that's what they're posting here. It's going to show you pictures or reels, whatever it is. It's going to show this tab right here. If you want to go to the tab that is only for reels, that's the fourth option right here on this camera, okay? Here are all the reels that is being posted on Instagram, and Instagram show these reels for you randomly according to your interest and according to your behavior inside the app, okay? So mine shows a lot of digital marketing, making money online, because that's what I'm interested in. So the first thing also, I like going through this tab for reels because that's when I'm gonna show, I'm gonna see a lot of interest, that I'm gonna see a lot of inspiration and find videos that I can create, right? So the first thing I want you to know also, it's on the bottom of the reels, it has a song, right? And next to this song has an arrow, and that's the type of song that I like using when there is this arrow, because that means this song is trending, right? So that's the type of song that I use, that I like. Use audio, right? Then you can see here, you can create the video on Instagram using the camera from Instagram, or you can upload videos that you already have on your phone. Most of the times I just upload videos that I randomly make for myself, and that way it's way easier for me. So to do that, if you want to create your reels using the camera on Instagram and recording right away, you can just press you stop, and that's the you're gonna. But if you want to use some video that you already have inside your computer or inside your cell phone, you're just gonna swipe up and then recent, you're gonna select videos. Let's see, for example, this first one right here, that's a video that I can crop the video right here, however how long you want. I usually like a video between 6 and 10 seconds, but according to the song, right? So here, gonna cut to 7 seconds. Next, and then right here on the font, right on the font, you can select any font you want. They have a lot of options for you to select. I like this one, or I like this one here. That's the two type of fonts that I use, basically this one. And then you're gonna put any hook you like. This is a very important part that you need to pay attention. So anything like 5 ways to monetize your social media. Let's see. Then you can select, tap on the font, 1, 2, 3 to change the style of the font how you want. I usually use white, and then if you press right here these colors, you can select also any color you like for your reels. If you press hold on the color, you're gonna be able to select other colors that's not available there. So let's see, like this one, for example, I like pink. So you select this, and then you can put like your tip 1, tip 2, whatever, like tip 3. Let's see, just to be fast, I'm just gonna put it 3 ways. Okay, so then I want to put this font specifically in some time of the video. So I'm gonna go right here, edit video, then I'm gonna select the hook I wanted, and then I'm just gonna select the time of the hook I want, and then when after the hook I want to show the tips, right? So then I'm gonna select here the time of the video that I want to show, boom, like this, and then here we go. Let's see. And then you can end your video with a call to action, follow for more or whatever. Super simple. That's basically the process of that I use to create reels. I don't do anything fancy. I don't know how to create like super edit videos. So for me, it has to be simple. It doesn't take me more than 5-10 minutes to create a video. And then when you also one thing I forgot it here on this thing, you can select the filter if you want any filter. You can select here, change the filter, change the colors that you like. If you want to add any picture on your reels, you can put right here. And then again, on the edit videos, you're gonna select here and put on the time that you want to show this picture to show up, and then you can select, you can create your caption here. Again, a hook is super important. If you want X, Y, Z, la, 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 and then you create your caption right there. I like to always add the add message because I usually put a call to action, and if people want to send me a message or talk with me, it's gonna be easy. It's gonna show on Instagram, send a message, so they can just click right there and send me a message. I also always add a location from where I am, and then that's basically it. And also I always pay attention on the cover, how it's gonna show on my feed, the picture, right? So I just go over here, I select the part of the video that I want to show as a cover, then I go to profile grid, and then I just center to be shown on my profile with a better, like, capturing, eye-catching picture with the text, right? So that's basically it, how I do it. I don't share on Facebook. That's basically it. And then I just share. That's super simple. It doesn't take 5 to 10 minutes to create. And as you can see here, all my posts on Instagram, it's simple videos, and that's how I bring a lot of people from Instagram to my digital products. That's how I monetize my social media, my Instagram. And if you want to learn more about that, I have a free ebook revealing the step-by-step process that I use to monetize my social media, Instagram. And if you like this video, leave me a thumbs up so I know to bring more content like this, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'm gonna bring more content that you're gonna learn a lot, and I will see you soon.